Students, we are going to start with min term and max term. Min term is a product of all the literals within the logical or logic system. Min term, here we could understand that when the components are written in terms of dots like a dot b dot c, that we say ABC, it means it is written in a form of min term. In min term, it is important to understand that a equals to 1 and a bar equals to 0. Any component or literal can have maximum of two states, a and a bar. Suppose we take x, then x and x bar. X bar is its complemented form. So a in min term, a equals to 1 and a bar equals to 0. So we can go with the note that the literals can have only two states or components can have only two states, a and a bar. We can take any name. Suppose we are taking f, then f and f bar. Suppose we are taking the name b, then b and b bar, or z, then z and z bar. So each component can have only two states, 1 and 0. 1 in min term stands for a or x or y, and 0 will become its opposite, that can be a bar, x bar, y bar, anything. Max term is a sum of all the literals within the logic system. Sum of all the literals means x plus y plus z. Here we are taking the term as a, then in max term a equals to 0 and a bar equals to 1. It is just opposite of min term. In min term a equals to 1, in max term a equals to 0. In min term a bar equals to 0, in max term a bar equals to 1. So if you remember, further when we proceed, the maximum number of literals or the components present in any Boolean expression can be 4 because it satisfies the formula of to the power of n. If we take two component, minimum 2 will be there. If we take two component, then we can get only 4 unique combination which will not satisfy all the decimal number systems. So if we take 3, then we will get only 8. So when we take 4, we get 16 unique combinations which satisfy all the decimal number system or hexadecimal number system. Means all the number systems are satisfied and it can be programmed or done in all the ways. So we get 16-bit combinations. Now when we further proceed to the table of min term and max term combination for the 4 components, we see here I had made a table of 4 components. The components names are w, x, y and z. I hope you remember when there are 4 components how to put a unique combination of 0 and 1. So, to the power of 4 equals to 16. We get a 16 set. So, I have written here its values in a number system format 0 to f. And then 16 is divided into 2 half. So, 8 zeros and 8 1. Then 8 half is 4. So, 4 zeros 4 1. Then 2 zeros 2 1 and then 0 1 0 1. In this we get a unique combination of 0 and 1 which is not repeated. Now min term of this. Pay attention. In min term, as we have learned that 0 is your bar. So we see here w bar, x bar, y bar, z. We see max term. It is a sum of literals. Min term is product of literals. So product, there is a multiplication, that is a dot working out here, and there is a plus over here. So another combination that we get is 0, 0, 0, 1. So whenever there is a 0, we put a bar. So we are getting w bar, x bar, y bar, z, as there is a 1 here under your z. And here we get w plus x plus y plus z bar, as 1 stands for bar. So z bar. This is a major difference that we have to pay attention. Otherwise, maximum chance of getting wrong, and you will do wrong in your exam also. So this table is very important. You must go with each and every combination of this table in order to understand all the unique combinations. You can see the last F, which is having 1, 1, 1. So all 1 in min term, it is w, x, y, z, and in max term, w bar, x bar, y bar, z bar, which is having plus in between. This is very important to understand to plot your Carnot map, which is based on sum of products and product of sums, that we will see in our next video. Let us go with the next, designation values. So what is a designation value? The designation value of min term is denoted by small m, and a designation value of max term is denoted by capital M. How to find the designation value of any given expression? For this, just we have to remember the binary combination of each. There is a question, for example, find the designation value of x, y, z bar. So we know that x stands for 1. So we will just write the values of 0, 1 combination of x, y, z bar. So we will write x as 1, y as 1, and z bar as 0. So we get a binary equivalent 1, 1, 0. If you remember, then well fine. Otherwise, you need to convert this binary into decimal number. And then that will be the decimal designation value of x, y, z bar. So here 110 in binary is 6 in decimal. Therefore, the designation of x, y, z bar is M6. Now this we will use small m and 6 as we are getting from the combination. Small m is used for min terms because my literals are written in min terms. Let us see another example, that find the designation value of x plus y bar plus z bar. Now again we need to convert using the concept of max term because my expressions are or components are in max term. So in max term, x stands for 0 and y bar stands for 1. So we have to write 0 plus 1 plus 1. It means we are not supposed to do any addition here. We will just write the combination as 0, 1, 1. So the binary equivalent of 0, 1, 1 is 3 in decimal. Therefore, the designation of x plus y bar plus z bar is M3. M, capital M, stands for max term. So, since the expression is in max term, we have to write the designation capital M and the designation value at the down as 3. So you must remember the subscript and superscript concept. Superscript raised to up, subscript raised to down. So designation values are always subscripted. Let us go to a table of the designation values. This is a normal table of designation value. It is important to understand that as we have done in the table A, B, C, D after 10, after 9, we used to denote 10 as A, B, C, D, E, F. The designation values are in continuation. It ranges from 0 to 15. We don't use A, B, C, D as the concept to convert into decimal number, binary to decimal. So we get it here as